thunderstorm warning for west central Tuscaloosa County, eastern Pickens County, until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Johnston Lake, 7 miles southeast of Carrollton, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gordo, Reform, Coker, Benevolent, Johnston Lake, Lake Lillian State Park, Kirk, Pioneer, Buell, Cholla, Levelman, Arad. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for west central Alabama. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Tuscaloosa, Alabama.